In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reusable template using Google Docs. If you're looking to streamline your document creation process by having a go-to format ready at your fingertips, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in and guide you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open a fresh Google Doc to begin laying the groundwork for your new template. Start by signing into your Google account. Once you've logged in, head over to Google Docs. You'll see the option to create a blank document, so click on the blank template presented to kick off this process. Alternatively, if you already have a document that you'd like to transform into a template, just open that existing document instead. Now that you have your document open, it's time to get into the creative phase by designing your template layout. Setting up the right structure is crucial because it defines the backbone of every document you'll create from this template. Begin by adding headings that align with your needs. Think about the hierarchy of information you want to present. Maybe something like a main heading followed by subheadings will work well. Play around with text formatting to get the right look. This could involve choosing a font style that resonates with the theme of your document, setting up color schemes that make headings stand out, and adjusting margin settings to give your document the right spatial arrangement. Don't forget to insert placeholders for any dynamic information you might need to swap out. This is a good time to think about sections where you'll constantly update content like names, dates, or brief descriptions. An easy way to visually distinguish these segments is by using placeholders such as name here, date, and description. These will guide you in quickly pinpointing areas for customization. To further enhance your template, consider integrating elements like tables for structured data, images or logos for branding, and backgrounds that add visual appeal. These additional features enrich your document and make it more engaging for those who will read it. With your layout in place, let's make this document a permanent resource by saving it as a reusable template. One approach is to save it directly to your Google Drive. To do this, navigate to File in the top menu and select Make a Copy. This step ensures that you maintain a clean master version of your template. Go ahead and give it a clear, recognizable name. Something like template name should work well. Once you have your template named, store it neatly in a dedicated folder titled Templates within your Google Drive. This makes it easy to access whenever you need to create a new document using the template. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to create a reusable Google Docs template. With this setup, you'll save time and keep your documents consistent and professional. Happy template making!